Aloha, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today, guys. Young Model Day, the Clash performance. Let's watch. If you guys want to about that, please comment down below and let's go.
Ang titindi na ng mga concert
Alright.
level performances na napapanood natin tonight. Pero sigurado akong
Okay,
hindi
yeah, I should watch
magpapahuli
it
ang
from the
trending
start.
R&B star ng North Cotabato, Jong Madaliday. Itong round 6, isang
How old is he,
laban sa
by the
lahat.
way?
Let the clash begin!
Begin.
Hindi rin ako nag-expect na abot pa ako dito.
Okay,
top
so
five.
then first
Jong,
running up.
brother, I'm sorry. Sad to say, ikaw ang may pinaka-lowest score tonight.
Nung nabottom ako, inisip ko na lang whatever happened, o kung magtutuloy man o hindi, na magiging happy pa rin ako. Kasi ang point lang naman ng pagsali ko talaga is makita ako ng nanay ko sa TV, na-fulfill ko naman yun.
Oh my gosh, congratulations!
Wow.
Ikaw ang huling flasher na pasok sa Final Five.
Pero nung habang tumatagal,
You won, right?
sinasabi
That
ko sa
one.
sarili ko, kailangan ko na itong hanggang dulo na to. Kailangan kong, mag-champion. To my fam watching right now sa The Clash,
Aww.
ipapangako ko sa inyo, ay uuwi natin ang kampiyon.
Let's dream come true. Let's happen. Ooh. Oh, what is that? Ooh. Oh my god. Wow. Ooh. Okay. Hmm.
There's no reason to hide what we're feeling inside right now. So
All right.
baby, let's just turn down the light and close the door.
Oh my.
Hold the thread, we won't need it anymore.
Whoa.
We won't need
Woo!
it anymore.
Bro, this song matches so well.
Let's
Yeah.
just kiss till we're naked, babe. Versace on the floor.
Yeah.
Take it on for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl.
Wow, we have a dance.
For me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Versace on the
Okay.
Take it on for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Just the two of us.
Yes.
If we try, just the
Oh my god. What does it do?
just the two of us.
What's happening?
Building a
Yeah.
snow in the sky. Just the two of us.
It was hot.
A snow in the sky. Just the two of us.
Woo!
Just the two of us. Just the two of us.
Bro, what did you do?
Just the two of us.
No. That's fast. Oh my god. What's going on? Lord.
So baby, let's just turn down the light and close the door.
Whoa.
The dress we won't
You have more self-confidence from Let's performances. Wow.
need no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor.
Wow! That was a great performance.
Wow!
Wow!
Jong! Grabe kakaibang concert performance ang ipinakita sa atin
Yeah,
ni
definitely.
Jong.
Oh, that was
Tanong natin
Julian
Clash
Do.
Panel.
Sa
What-
buong
what's
buhay
her
ko,
name?
ngayon lang akong
Ano yung number right now?
natulala sa isang performance ng Clasher, lalo na dito kay
Ba, ba,
Joe.
ba, 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 ba.
Una sa lahat, napaka-sexy mo habang nagpe-perform ka. Ang pogi mo pag nagpe-perform ka. Ang
Oh,
pogi mo pag
yeah.
nagpe-perform ka. Sa totoo lang.
Pag hindi nagpe-perform,
Pag hindi nagpe-perform, hindi masyado.
oh my God.
Pero pag nagpe-perform ka, talo mo si Alden Richards. Ganun yung dating sa akin. Bagay sa iyang parang lumot outfit mo na yan. Magpagawa ka ng mga 2,000 na ganyan. Tapos parating yan yung
Iba-ibang
isuot mo.
kulay. Iba-ibang
Oo,
kulay.
Iba-ibang kulay, pero ganyan ang cut. Kahit di ka nagpe-perform, ganyan ang suot mo. Ewan ko kung hindi sila magkagulo sa'yo. Pero napakahusay mo ngayon. Star na star ka. Yun ang dating.
Sige, ako muna bago si Miss Lani. So, Jong, pinakita mo sa amin ang importance talaga ng good song choice. First
Yes.
few notes pa lang, alam na lahat ng tao, tapos nag-enjoy na sila lahat. Ang baba pala ng ano mo, ng mga moves mo. Kaya niya pala yung hindi pinakita for 7 years, eh, no?
The lower, the better.
Parang the lower. oo.
7 years, ngayon niya lang pinakita
Ngayon
yun.
lang pinakita, nire-reserve niya yan. So, in-enjoy mo lang yung moment mo and na-feel namin yon na you enjoyed your moment on stage. Thank you, Jong.
Alam mo yung kanina, habang kinakanta niya nga to, no? Parang you were channeling Bruno Mars, pero may
Oh.
mala Michael Jackson. Konti na lang, ha, hihi, gumawa konti na lang, gaganong ka na. Yung
No.
masarap kang panoorin. Alam mo, kasi nga talagang nakikita na namin na relax ka, enjoy, at kami rin ay nag-e-enjoy. So, bongga ang iyong performance.
Okay.
So, inaasahan namin na makakita pa ng mga 2,000 pieces ng iyong jacket. Thank you, Jong!
Alright, thank you, Jong! And thank you, Clash Panel.
Anyway, guys, let's end. If you guys want more about them, please comment down below and take care of yourself, guys. And bye bye.